right. Class is in session. So today I had a live stream. It was just I was sitting here at my other bench that is by my layout, and it was weather in the car because it's my airbrush station is right here. So I was airbrushing, and I said, let me do a live stream. It was a 30-minute live stream. I took this hopper, right, which was brighter at the time, and started weathering it. And simple, just, real simple. And I thought, no, let's do a challenge. Let's get people interested in weathering that would like to weather, but are just for one reason or another put off by the process. There's nothing to be put off by. It's not hard. It's pretty simple. You can't screw it up, right? You really can't screw it up. All right, you can't mess it up. Uh, and it's fun. Like it's addictive. Okay, you'll be like weathering everything. You'll probably want to weather your own vehicle you drive, but it really isn't hard, and you don't need a lot of things. Do you need an airbrush? No. Is it nice to have an airbrush? Yes. I've talked about having an airbrush, learning how to use an airbrush in this hobby, in model building, and anything related to models, not just trains. An airbrush is a great tool. It's not hard. It's not, there's a little learning curve, but it's not huge. Hey, this is the 2026. It's there's any information out there on the interwebs that will help you. There's plenty of people, if you're having problems, that will help guide you and get you going right. They did for me. Plenty of people. So there's no reason. Money, you can get a airbrush set up for less than $100. If you go on Facebook, you might even be able to find somebody that doesn't use it anymore and get a bunch of stuff. So don't let money change your mind. Um, you don't need an airbrush, but it's nice. Okay. We'll keep it with acrylics. We won't get crazy, like because I use a lot of things that um, effects. Like I'll use like AK and things like this. That you know are you know just ways to get looks like this, right? And this, these are all with um, enamels, oils, but we'll just keep it simple so that we're just using acrylics. You can use a brush. I'll show you how to do some brush stuff. Um, there's a video, and I'll put a link to it. I'll put a link to the video here. That was another live stream where I built a 2-bay hopper and started to weather it, and I faded it with brushwork. So you could basically do the same and go through that. So I'll put that link at the end of this video, right? You'll see it in the little video thing. But I'll put a link up in the corner to the live stream from today, 101. So I challenge you, if you want to do weathering and you're just like procrastinating, saying it's too hard, it's not too hard. It's super simple. If I can do it, you can do it. Seriously, really. You got to start somewhere, okay? Decide. Do you want to start or you just want to look in from afar? You decide. It'll probably be like, it'll all be in live streams, 30 minutes. It'll be nice if people are in there because in today's, you'll see people were in there and they had questions and I answered them right there, right? So it was easy, right? But if you have a question, even if you have a question now, and just put it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it. But so yeah, it'll be on the weekends, probably after Back on Track. I'm thinking, or Yeah, probably after Back on Track, I would think. Um, but who knows? I don't know. You know me. I do live streams whenever. Come along. Come and weather some stuff with us. I challenge you.